ready to inject some instant energy and conversation into your Substack community. Let's dive into how to master Substack Notes, your new favorite tool for direct audience engagement. First things first, find the Notes feature once you're logged into your Substack dashboard. Look for the Notes tab, usually located prominently in your navigation menu. Clicking this will take you directly to the Notes interface. Now, let's create your first note. You'll see a clear text box. Ready for your thoughts? This is your space to share quick updates, ask questions, or spark discussions. Think of it as a microblogging feature, specifically for your dedicated readers. Simply type what you want to share, a circumflex euros. It could be a quick thought about your latest long-form post, a behind-the-scenes peek, or even a poll to gauge your audience's interest. You can also easily add links to articles or resources that complement your point. The real magic of Notes lies in the interaction. Your subscribers can directly reply to your notes. Creating a real-time conversation thread encourages them to share their thoughts, answer questions, and connect with each other, fostering a deeper sense of community. Notes are perfect for a variety of content. Ask open-ended questions to get your readers talking, share fleeting thoughts that don't warrant a full post, or offer instant updates on your writing process or upcoming content. It bridges the gap between emails and traditional blog posts, creating a more dynamic flow. By using Notes consistently, you're not just publishing. You're building a more connected and engaged community. It's a dynamic way to share, discuss, and instantly connect with the people who truly value your work on Substack.